Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook iceberg lettuce. First, select a firm, fresh head of iceberg, weighing about 2 pounds. Remove any outer bruised or discolored leaves carefully. Cut the head into 4 equal wedges through the core for even cooking. Then, give each wedge a thorough rinse under cool, running water before patting them dry gently. This careful initial preparation is truly key for a great result. To begin cooking, heat a large, heavy-bottomed skillet or pan over medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like olive oil or grapeseed oil, swirling to coat the bottom. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your iceberg lettuce wedges cut side down into the hot pan. You will hear a satisfying sizzle, signaling the cooking has begun properly. Allow them to sear for 3 to 4 minutes until beautifully browned. Now is the perfect time to build incredible flavor into your dish. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes to the pan, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in 1/4 cup of vegetable broth or chicken broth, along with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The liquid helps create steam, infusing all those delicious seasonings into the lettuce. Let it gently simmer. Cover the pan and continue to cook the lettuce for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to soften. The exact cooking time depends on your preferred texture. Some like it tender crisp, while others prefer it quite soft. Check for doneness by piercing a wedge with a fork. It should offer slight resistance or be very yielding. Be careful not to overcook, as this can make the lettuce watery. You want a lovely bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.